Welcome to ANS Solver question 9. The Venn diagram shows two sets, A and B. Use set notation to complete the statements. So, for 9A1 part A, D, as you can see is right here, is an element of A, and the sign for an element is simply an E like this. For part B, F and G, as you can see is right here, that is the intersection of A and B, so therefore we can write it as A intersection B, because it is the common part between the two circles, as you can clearly see. Now let's move on to part A2. Complete the statement. The number of elements in a particular set is equal to 6. Now there are two such scenarios where there are 6 elements. One is in the circle B itself. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So B would be one of the correct answers. Now there is one more scenario where there are 6 elements. That would be A complement, meaning everything other than A. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Therefore you can write any of these answers, so that would be B or A complement. Now let's move on to part B. In the Venn diagram below, shade C intersection D complement. So that means the common part, so C would be the circle right here, and D complement would be everything other than D. My bad. Yeah. Everything other than the circle. So that would be everything other than D. And therefore you can see that the common part is this, or the outer part of the circle C, basically the circle C minus the intersection of both C and D. Therefore we can say that the final answer for this question would be this part of C only. Now let's move on to part C. 50 students study at least one of the subjects: geography, mathematics and history. 18 students only study only maths. So we can write 18 because they study only maths. 19 students study 2 or 3 of the subjects. So that would mean this area, because this area includes all the students that study 2 or 3 subjects. So we can find the value of x easily. So all we need to do is x plus x plus x plus 7 is equal to 19. Therefore x plus x plus x is 3x plus 7 is equal to 19. You can take the plus 7 to the other side. When you take positive to the other side of the equation, becomes negative. Therefore 19 minus 7 is 12. You can take the 3 to the other side of the equation. Multiplication when taken to the other side of the equation becomes division. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. Therefore x is equal to 4. So we have our x values as 4 right here. Now 23 students study geography. So we need to find the value that is missing. So we can simply do 23 minus actually let's wait for that. complete the Venn diagram. Okay, yeah, so now we can go ahead with that. So 23 minus 4 minus 4 minus 7. So we know 23 is the total. We know the other three parts of the geography circle. So all we need to do is minus those parts. So 23 minus 4 minus 4 minus 7 is equal to 8. And therefore 8 will come right here. Now they are in the first line, they've told us that there are a total of 50 students. And since they haven't given a dash on the outside, which means that there's at least one student not studying any of the three subjects, we know that all the 50 students study at least one subject. So we can simply do 50 minus all the students of geography and mathematics to find out which students study only history. So 50 minus 8 minus 4 minus 4 minus 7 minus 4 minus 18. That will give us 5, and therefore we know that 5 students study only history. Therefore, as you can see, we've completed the Venn diagram. Now, use the set notation to complete the statement. G union M union H, so that is all the three circles, complement, so that is any number that is outside the three circles. And as I said, all 50 students study at least one of the subjects, as it is written here as well. So this would be a null set. So you can simply show a null set symbol, or you can make an empty set like this. Now let's move on to part C4. Find the number of elements in G intersection M union H. Okay, so according to BODMAS or PEMDAS, we have to solve the brackets part of the question first. So that is M union H. So that would be other two circles of mathematics and history. So M union H intersection G, meaning the common parts between the two circles and G. So that would clearly indicate these or this portion of the Venn diagram. So that would be 4 plus 4 plus 7. So 4 plus 4 is 8 and 8 plus 7 is 15. Therefore 15 being your final answer for part C4.